Who just made it to France?
I just tried to scare Sonia, it didn't work.
Looks amazing. This we're gonna shred tomorrow. So hot. Are you excited to shred tomorrow, babe?
The whole video is my parents in the background, my dad is like, oh my god. It's so fucking cold.
Hi, Orly.
Hi, how are you?
Are you excited for the spa?
So excited.
It's so pretty out here.
היית פעם אותי ואת אבא בתחילת החברות?
Out here in the village. So cute.
Oh, they have a bowling here somewhere.
Oh my god, they love the sound of the snow. Scritch, scritch. They have what?
Bowling. Was your first snowboarding lesson?
Good. I'm killing it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
I finally know how to go down and break with my heels. So that's good. And I fall only a couple times. I didn't fall that many times. How's yours?
I'm amazing. I'm going to the Olympics for hunger.
Freaking pretty. I mean, this is where everyone gets together to leave. What?
You want to try blue?
No, I'm going to my lesson. What is this sexy socks?
What are those?
What are you wearing today?
How do you pee in this? What?
Wow.
Wow. Shout out Adidas.
Babe, no, babe, you have to tell us what you're wearing today. Dress your man, this is how you dress. Trust me. You sum up this day, man.
Good.
You were good?
Really good.
What colors did you do?
We did blue, but we went off-piste around it. Like, we didn't do the route itself. We jumped outside.
How do you sum up this day, Azar?
Terrific. A Russian guy hit me from the back.
Really?
He screamed. "Ah!"
Really?
And I was in the middle of the turn, and I see like my hand is coming, but it was I see he fell down,
Oh,
and
okay.
I succeed because I was in the middle of the turn, so I did like, but I stopped at the end.
Good, good. We succeeded. I fall 60 times on my ass, and it feels like I'm gonna break it. And I'm at the bad team, but you know, someone has to be in the bad team.
At least you
No,
have
no.
a hand protection, like...
I don't. I don't have.
It's
Oh, you
better
don't
to
use it?
fall because you know after that how to do fall.
Yeah, exactly.
Why don't you
Yeah.
use the hand protection?
Because
you don't
it's
like
too it's too difficult to put it on. Whatever, we
your-
killed it.
it? So your hands hurt like...
Spring weather. It's just snowing. Pictures are out, so it must be bad. You scared?
Yeah, because it's really... Yesterday started really bad for me. I'm trying to shoot a vlog and my parents are just yelling, so... I don't know.
We're scared, for sure. Okay, so we out here. Can't see shit. It's fucked up. So this morning we woke up to this weather. Insane snow and wind. And we still decided to go and snowboard in the mountains. So I started with a green. And then we ended up finishing a blue together. It was so windy, it was so dark, it was like just white everywhere. You couldn't see where you're going, you couldn't see who's in front of you, you couldn't see who's behind you. It was insane. So I fall like
3 times like crazy on my arm. So I think I'm gonna skip this afternoon because my whole body is just like trashed. My knees hurt, my elbows hurt, my neck, my back, my butt, everything. But babe really wants to go. So I think what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to the practice hill and try to do some videos and try to practice more. Although my hand really hurts, I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's see. So that's the plan for today. There was crazy. There, you could see the mountains about 2 days ago. Now you can't see shit. And there's a couple of lines that they even closed because it's too dangerous to sit on these things. This is also probably the most terrifying thing I've ever sit on. It was so scary, but we did it. Snowboarding so far has been tons of fun, but also I'm in insane amount of pain. I don't think I've ever felt my neck muscle here before, but I keep like turning with my snowboard, and I don't know, somehow this muscle hurts. My arms are trashed, my knees, my everything. So it is really fun, but my team started with 14 people, and then they separated the 2 groups because that was just like insane cute people. So they separated the team to 2 teams, and in my team we started with 8 people, and now we're 3 girls. So that's kind of crazy. You really have to practice a lot for sure, and don't be a bitch. It's Thursday morning, and finally the weather is better. You can actually see the mountains and stuff. Sunny. The snow is really good. It's powdery. It's not gonna be painful if you fall and stuff. So, but it's also minus 13 degrees. So, you're wondering what babe does every afternoon when we come back from snowboarding? It's magic making. Skirt. So every time we're out there, I'm like trying to take videos and pictures and stuff to show you guys how pretty the view is. But my phone keeps dying because it's minus 13 Celsius. And my phone can't handle it. So this afternoon, I'm gonna take the GoPro and see if the GoPro can survive. And I'm just gonna show you guys the view and try to do some cool stuff. Hopefully it won't fall. And yeah, babe is just shredding. He's killing it. Tomorrow he's gonna take the GoPro and take some cool footage of himself snowboarding and other people snowboarding and stuff. So there's that. My eye's about to die because I'm looking in the sun. Whatever. I just blinded myself. Oh god. I'm trying to make him talk to the vlog. Doesn't work.
What do you want me to say?
How's your experience today?
I did some red, and I did some off-piste, and it was incredible.
It was incredible. I'm killing it. I'm the best.
I'm the best. I am actually not the best, dude. We're pretty awful, both of us. But, you know, it's all about...
Oh, you don't know how good I am, baby. You don't see me.
I've passed you a couple of times, babe. And you're kind of slow.
But
you're
this is
good.
my
Really,
fourth
really good.
day
Really, really good.
ever snowboarding.
Really, really good. Really proud of you, babe.
Thank you.
Building?
So pretty. A little village. Teacher, say hi. Hi. Scary shit. So cute. So fucking pretty up here. We didn't fall. We managed. So pretty! Woo! So pretty, you guys. So fucking pretty. Ooh. We made it up here. So pretty.
Okay, babe. Ready? This is your pro tape. We're gonna send it to a couple of companies, get you sponsored. Yeah.
There we go. Can you follow me?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. Go.
Really? So this is my job now, to film them. Yeah. And Asaf filmed me once, and his finger was in the camera the whole time. So, thanks, babe. Good job.
You missed it. Okay, do a jump, do a boom, jump. Woo!